You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Todd is here, and I'm going to show you how to make my Cranberry Eggnog French Toast. Perfect for the Christmas season. All right, let's get started. I have my Blackstone Pro Series griddle. The right burner is set on medium-low. Gonna pour pure maple syrup. I love pure maple syrup.
Oh my
God! Oh
God.
yeah, keep on going.
Oh my!
Todd, that's enough, dude.
No, keep going. Oh
I'm gonna pour it in to a little pot, followed by whole fresh cranberries. Cranberries, the fruit of the season. Meanwhile, we're gonna get our batter going. Gonna crack 4 eggs. We have 4 slices of French toast today. I like to do 1 egg per slice, followed by ice cold eggnog. Again, what can be more Christmassy than eggnog? Next, we're gonna go with a little bit of pure vanilla, probably about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla, a little bit of almond extract. I just like that flavor of almond extract. It almost reminds me of a cinnamon roll, of an apple strudel. And then we're gonna put some cinnamon in there. Feel free to use as much or as little cinnamon as you want to. And now we're gonna whisk that batter, get those ingredients mixed up. Look at that cinnamon mixing in there. Hey, you could even throw a little peppermint extract in there if you want to. Today I'm using brioche. It's a French bread, has a high egg content, and it is perfect for dessert dishes like French toast. I'm gonna cut 4 thick slices of my brioche, and I'm gonna dip those in the batter. Press them down. You wanna make sure that batter gets into the bread. You're gonna flip them over, maybe even drizzle a little extra batter on the sides. And we're gonna go back to the griddle top. I'm gonna turn the remaining burners on medium, throw down a little canola oil, and then I'm gonna use a fork to drop the French toast onto the griddle top. Now, French toast is a little finicky. It's a lot like making crepes. So you're gonna wanna check the bottoms, just make sure you're not burning the French toast. Give those a flip, and you can even slide the slices of brioche up against the corner of the griddle top to get every corner, every piece of crust toasted. The French toast is done, the syrup is done. Look at those cranberries, they just burst open. Let's plate it up. This is exactly what I dream about when I'm up in the cold Rocky Mountains in the fall. The snow's falling down, a -5-degree night. This year during elk hunting, I would have killed for something like this. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Let's give it a try. Ba-rumpa-pum-pum. That is so good. That tastes like Santa's sleigh, just filled with holiday goodness. Folks, if you want this recipe and more, just visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. Ding dong, Christmas bells are ringing. I can't sing, but I like to sing.
Ready when you are.
It's delicious. People get grossed out if you talk when it's actually.
Go all the way to the end.
You look like Randy Macho Man Savage.
Oh yeah.